Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Zoho CRM OAuth scopes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Zoho CRM using OAuth scopes, begin by navigating to the Zoho Developer Console. Create a new client by selecting the Add Client option. Fill in your application details, such as the client name and homepage URL. Under the Redirect URI section, enter the URL where you intend to redirect users after authentication. Select the appropriate OAuth scopes required for your application. Click on Create to finalize your client registration. After creating the client, note down the client ID and client secret provided. Open a web browser and construct the authorization URL using your client ID and required scopes. Navigate to this URL to initiate the OAuth authorization process. Once on the Zoho login page, enter your Zoho credentials and grant necessary permissions. Upon successful authorization, you will be redirected to the redirect URI you specified earlier. The URL will include a temporary authorization code as a parameter. Capture this authorization code from the URL. Next, prepare to exchange the authorization code for access and refresh tokens. Make a post request to the Zoho token endpoint, including your client ID, client secret, authorization code, and redirect URI. In response, you will receive the access token and refresh token. Store these tokens securely for future API requests. If the access token expires, use the refresh token to obtain a new access token without repeating the authorization process. Now, you are ready to make authorized requests to the Zoho CRM API using your access token. Ensure to handle token expiration appropriately by implementing refresh token logic in your application. This completes the authorization process with Zoho CRM OAuth scopes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.